When you're ready to check out, go to your shopping cart, check your order, and proceed to payment. Check to make sure your contact, billing, and shipping information are all correct. You can add a different address if you have multiple shipping locations. Choose your shipping option. Enter any specific shipping instructions, and click Next. Now you'll need to add a payment method. Fill in your billing info once more here. Clicking Add Payment Method will briefly take you away from the Crosby site to a third-party payment site. What you see next is just a confirmation screen to validate your credit card information, so don't worry about this top section. Your order will go through as it was placed in the Brewer Portal. Below this is where you add your credit card information. Then click Place Order. Now we're back in the Brewer Portal where you can complete your order. Click Place Your Order, and that takes you to the order confirmation page, which shows your order number and estimated shipping date.